Hello, my name is Zornitsa and I'm your Yclas instructor. In this video we're going to talk about the coupon system. So I'm going to show you how to create coupons and also how to use them. Coupons are tickets or documents that can be redeemed for financial discount or rebate when purchasing a product. You can use those coupons on our website as well. They're available on our classified sites, and there are three different ways of creating them. There is create a single coupon option, the bulk creation of coupons, and import coupon. Now with the bulk creation, it will allow you to create many coupons and you don't have to individually create every single one of them. The import coupons, by importing them from various sources. For example, if you have other services on your website, another provider, you can easily work with their coupons as well. Or if you'd like to use those coupons on a different website, that's also possible. I'm going to show you how to use the coupons on the checkout page from widget coupons and by adding coupon name. Here there is some additional information on creating coupons. First of all, you have to focus on these few things. So the name must be unique. It shouldn't be repeated because this might create some misunderstanding between your users. Menu, there is the ID product. Any means will work for any product. So if you choose a product, then the coupon will work only for that product. For example, you can choose to add the coupon for featured ads or top-up ads. I will show you in a moment. There is the discount amount. Now there is the fixed amount to be discounted and also the percentage amount. It can be discounted by percentage. The number of coupons, number of times that unique coupon can be used, and valid until of course when you can use that coupon. So without further ado, let's go to our admin panel. Then you have to go under classifieds and you will find the coupon over here. By clicking on it, this page will be displayed. So here on the right, we have the three ways to create coupons. So I'm going to show you how to create a single coupon. By clicking on new. Okay, so by clicking on new, you can create a single one. Here you can see there is the fixed discount and also the percentage discount. So you can choose to, if your product is $100, then a percentage discount will make it 90. But for now, I'm just gonna use the fixed discount. So here you have to add the coupon name. Like it should be something like, let's say, summer coupon or holiday or whatever you think. It should be something catchy. Now, as I already mentioned, the ID product, it can be posted in paid category for the feature ad. Now the discount. I'm gonna put $10 as it is a fixed discount. Let's say I would like this to be valid until the end of summer. I'm gonna put it until the 19th of September. Now, keep in mind that this doesn't mean that you will create more than one coupon. The number of coupons here, by any means, is that this coupon can be used more than once. So if I put 5 times here, this one and single individual coupon can be used 5 times. These are not 5 different coupons. Okay, so I'm just gonna create one and then I'm gonna click on submit. Voila, my summer coupon has been created. From over here, you can edit it by clicking on it. Let's say you decided to make it a percentage discount, or you decided that this is not enough. So that's how you can edit it. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna delete this one. And now I'm gonna show you how to create many coupons with a bulk coupon generator. Here I'm gonna use percentage discount and I'm gonna use it on feature ads. So the percentage would be 15%, and since I'm gonna put the same valid date, it's gonna be valid. until the 19th of September. Now, number of unique coupons to generate limited to 10,000 at a time. Here, this means that you can create different coupons. For example, you can create 100. Okay, I'm gonna create 10 and I'm gonna click on submit. Here they are. Here are all my 10 coupons. Now, here you have the name. This is what you can distribute between your users, between them. You can put it as some win price, or it can be anything, but these are the names of the coupons. So here, each single one, the discount, and since I added the product ID as a feature ad, it's only available for feature ads. Okay, so now you can edit it from here or delete them from here. Now over here you have the export all, which will enable you to export all of the coupons if you'd like that on a single file. You can do that by clicking on this button, and also you can import. By clicking on this file, you can import some different coupons from a different website or whatever source you'd like. You can do it by importing them through here. Now you can search for a coupon, but you have to know the name. So let's say you have 100 and you want to see if someone used that exact one, so you can search through here with the name. So now I'm gonna go to my website and I'm gonna show you real quick how do they look like. So I'm gonna enter another account. Because the checkout page is available when you create, let's say, a new ad. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly create a new ad just to show you how to do that. It has to be featured as well, so I have to make it featured, but it's gonna take just a moment. Okay, so I'm gonna go featured and I'm gonna open the checkout page. As you can see now, here I have the coupon name. So if I feature my ad, then I can use the coupon. As you can see, you can distribute these codes through email or messages, or if it can be one is a price, a single one, it's up to you. This is the name. By copying it and putting it over here, your user can use the coupon that you distribute. Okay. As I already mentioned, you can export all of the coupons or import different ones. Now over here in our documentation, you have how to use the coupon system document. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to have a quick reminder how to use the coupon system, this link will be added in the description. There is information about each and every single step that we followed through this video tutorial, but you can check it out. Here is the checkout page. Okay, so let's go back and I'm going to show you how to create. So you go under appearance, then widgets. Oh, but I have to access first of all my admin panel. Okay, so real quick I'm gonna do that. And now you go under appearance and then widgets. And now you have to find the coupon widget, which is over here. You have to click on create. And then if you remember from our previous tutorial how to use widgets, this is where you want it to be displayed. So I want it at the sidebar. The title will be coupon, and I'm gonna save the changes. I'm gonna put it at the top so we can see it. And pretty much that's it. So let's go to the website. And here it is. Now I'm gonna reload. And as you can see, yeah, this is the coupon, the thing over here. So if a user pastes the coupon name, they can use it. Pretty much that's the widget. That's how it works. You can change it, you can put it at the footer, which I don't advise you to, but that's how you use it. Thank you for watching the video and I hope it was helpful. See you in the next one. Bye!